I'm ready to begin my hike down to connect with the Bluff Springs Trail. I'll try to find an on again, off again trail that will lead me down to the wash. As for where I have come, hillside next to me, and the drainage is below me. There's a tributary right here, so I'll take this to get to the main wash. And it looked like there was a cairn there that pointed me in the correct direction. I think the trail kind of follows the wash for a little bit. Let's see how it goes. There's more of the weaver's needle. Just rambling along in the drainage, step by step. Watch your step, that's for sure. Better go around that little empty pool. So I'm heading in the correct direction for the Bluff Springs Trail, which will then connect to the Dutchman. Okay, this is the part I like. Very little foliage in the wash. Easy to walk on rock. Of course, it's a lot better if it's after a rain. Quite a bit of water flows through here. So it goes down there. Slick rock here. Weaver's needle once again. Slick rock here. Weaver's needle once again. The wash continues down, meandering here and there. There's some water. Refreshing. I think I'll dip my bandana in there. Nice refreshing water. Nice and cool. Continue the meandering wash. A little more water. think we're getting very close to the Bluff Springs Trail. I remember this large wash, ravine kind of thing. Took a break there one time. Oh, there's a nice pool of water. That's very close to the trail junction too. Careful. Oh, stub your toe and you're gonna be splat. I remember doing maintenance on this area here. All these trees were overgrowing the wash. That's some of my work right there. Oh, there's a nice pool of water. That's very close to the trail junction too. Careful. Oh, stub your toe and you're gonna be splat. I remember doing maintenance on this area here. All these trees were overgrowing the wash. That's some of my work right there. That's from whence I came. That's the Hill 3559, the wash. I remember this ledge. There used to be a cairn up on top of it. Not necessary because if you're hiking in there, you know you need to go through the wash. And here we are, almost at the junction with the Bluff Springs Trail, I believe. Careful. No, not quite. Now I'm at the junction. This is the way that I would like to hike towards the east. And this is the trail going west. You see that rock formation. When you see that, you'll know you're close to the Dutchman's Middle Trail northern terminus. And when you see this big boulder in the trail, you'll know coming from that way that you're near the entrance of the trail.